Welcome to Winnie's baby's crib.
This is the bathroom.
AKA Winnie's office for the past few months.
I know, right? Coachella. How's your room, Suri? We're in Suri's room and we got it fixed. And I've just been hanging out with Suri. I just started work, so it's my 3rd week back into work. And I haven't posted because of that. I've been trying to prioritize all the things that I need to get done for work before I can start posting again. I know I should have planned in advance, but these are more like spontaneous vlogs, so they're more spur of the moment kind of things. Like, we're not like pre-planned.
Spur of the moment, nice makeup and hair, wow.
It's for work.
Oh yeah, you went early today.
Yeah, trying to call me out for...
Well, you look so nice.
Well, yeah. But it's not because I did it for the video. It's just because I go to work. I have to be professional.
Okay.
Okay, so here we are in Suri's room. It's a little bit of a mess. I do sleep here now just because I do want to keep track. And I still am pumping at night, so it's easier to have everything accessible rather than just go in and out of the rooms. So this is the room. Oh, Suri's there! Yay! She's here.
Oh, hey baby.
Suri! Say hi!
Yeah. Let's start here first. Alright, what's up? Welcome to Winnie's baby's crib.
Baby's crib, yeah. This is the setup for now. And we have a little like floor mat, great for tummy time. A little bit of open space for all the toys and the stuffies. And we have these little pillow rocks that are neutral in tone, and some laundry.
Oh, nice.
These are reusable diapers, so they're on a chair. And then this is a donut pillow. This was sent by my friend Pia. She sent it to us. Yeah. The company is Childcare, and we've had it since the beginning, so we used it really early on for her to rest on. Yeah, so I picked out all these stuffed toys, extra large stuffed toys. I like how characters look angry, so that's why I chose that.
Angry bunny.
Angry bunny. And then I chose a cute little carpet piece with dogs.
Where you hung these up?
Yeah. I got these from Hype in the House, and this one also is the piece.
What is this piece?
It's like a fairy tale kind of vibe illustration. Pat thinks it's scary. I don't think it's scary. It's just the illustration style.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so I wanted to show you that. We have a new changing table, but it's not done.
No, the table's not done?
Well, no, the other parts of the room aren't done. But it's okay. She's mostly doing tummy time.
Yeah, sorry. How do you feel about it, huh?
We have a nice mini dip that she likes.
Hi, baby.
Look at the mini dip.
Baby girl. What's a mini dip?
This is the mini dip.
Oh, the ball pit?
Yeah.
Is that what you call it?
It's called mini dip, yeah.
Oh.
It's very nice. I like the colors.
Go, sample.
I have 2 different versions. One is in the other.
Sample.
I can't jump into it. It's too shallow.
How
Anyways,
does it work?
you go inside and you enjoy. I'm so tired. Got up so early in the morning. And these are curtains. Curtains by Raphael. We installed them.
They're hooked to the app. Yeah.
Yeah, hooked to the app. I can open and close it at a particular time. This is the bathroom.
AKA Winnie's office for the past few months.
I know, right? You can see my little laptop setup.
This is Winnie's working corner.
Yeah.
I know that. She's always in here watching RuPaul and Rick and Morty.
And then here I have the UV sterilizers for the pumps, etc. Easy access. Then I have 2 fridges, one for milk and one for... It's not stocked anymore because I gave some of my milk already to other people.
Other people.
Yeah. And then skincare. My skincare.
Oh, nice.
Pat, have you been using your skincare? You should be washing your face.
You're right.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the bathroom. This is the baño. Here we have the tools we use to wash the baby bottles, etc. And then I use this over here, the sink. Tiles are by Anward, TW from Taiwan.
That's your uncle.
Yeah, my uncle's company from Italy. Look at these nice tiles. Sent from Taiwan, from Italy. And then we have the shower. We have some cute bath toys in here that I bought for Suri. And then Suri's bath from Skip Hop.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. This is the one she's still been using, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Suri loves it.
Suri loves bathing in general. She doesn't cry. She loves it.
Like a warm bath, right?
Yeah. Then I have some cute toys to accompany the bath. Same here.
Use it.
Huh?
Use it.
I can't because there's no water to demonstrate. But you can watch my Instagram reel because I demonstrate.
Nice.
Then this is a towel.
This is a towel.
This is the toilet with an automatic trash can, self-sealing trash can.
Oh.
Then this is the closet. Yeah, this is Pat's closet. This is your side. This is my pambahay clothes. I moved them here because I'm in my pambahay at this time.
Oh yeah, this is my corner. Yeah, lots of jackets.
And then Suri's corner.
Lots of pants.
It's starting to grow, Suri's
I have
corner.
a few shelves there.
And then that's Suri's.
And then the rest are Suri's, yeah.
Yeah.
Suri's and Winnie's.
No, I only have one area.
Well, I mean, yeah, considering you have an entire room on the other side.
Yeah, but I'm here because I stay here
It's
right
cool, right, Ponyo?
now. Anya don't pee here. Yeah, so this is Suri's clothes.
Nice.
And then this is my everyday pambahay clothes. So that's what I
That's
wear.
what you're wearing, right?
Yeah. I really like wearing sweaters. I don't know. I like it because it gets cold.
Pajamas.
Yeah, pajamas.
Your pajamas, your jammies.
Pajamas.
Your jammies.
And then on top we have our bedding sets.
Oh, that's where the beddings are.
Yeah. As well as some extra winter jerseys.
Ah, winter jerseys.
No, winter stuff jerseys.
What do you mean winter stuff?
It's like the layering, like what you wear under.
Why?
When you go to a cold country, you layer your clothes.
Oh, why do we have that?
I have that, yeah.
Oh yeah, because you were. That's like from when you were in Vancouver.
No, well, Uniqlo. Like you wear under the thermals. And then we have Disney, we have travel, we have baby bedding. And then these are Pat's shoes and then my shoes. I moved my shoes here. These sneakers and shoes are here now.
Very nice. And then these are mine?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, guys, this is the video for you because
What?
I really don't have anything right now. But I do look forward to
okay.
this.
Just put that Winnie back on cam. Hello. Where's Suri?
Let's go back
Like,
to
let's
Suri.
just-
Let's go back to Suri. Hey, have you seen? Oh, I did this in my vlog. Coachella. Probably so annoyed at this point. This is cool. This is a cool place.
This is a cool place. Agreed.
Suri.
Suri.
My tailbone really hurts right now.
Are you sitting wrong? Do you have a cushion? You need a cushion, maybe.
Yeah, I bought a cushion on this side.
Ah, baby girl.
Yeah, Suri likes to chill now. Did she drink her milk na? Oh, mainit pa. Oh.
What else are your plans for the room, though, if you're saying it's not almost...
Well, we're waiting for the furniture to come. That's coming in December.
Explain.
We have some
Explain.
furniture that we ordered and it's only arriving around December.
Explain what furniture you order. Where's it gonna go? How's it gonna look like? Go, go, go.
The furniture is gonna go right there. It's sofas and they're
Where? There?
There,
Corner
yeah.
In front of the door? You're gonna put sofas in front
no
of the door?
where the bed is because
Oh.
right now I'm staying here.
Okay, so what are you gonna do with the bed then?
Move it somewhere else.
Okay, so where are you gonna sleep then if there's no bed?
Well, I probably won't be sleeping there by then, so I won't be sleeping there until I stop breastfeeding. So we'll see. I don't know when that's gonna be. I'm just going with the flow. No pressure, because that's really not what I want to do. Put pressure on myself and be like,
But you said you like working under pressure.
I do, but not when I'm like, only when I'm forced to work under pressure.
Unnecessary.
Unnecessary stuff, yeah. I don't know why I'm speaking on this, because this is the actual mic.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. Just, just go. Just do
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, so we're here, and this is the little pillow place. Sometimes it's easy to fall asleep here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you just go like this. I'm so tired.
Yeah, Winnie never sleeps here.
I did. I slept here a while ago.
Oh, what, really?
Yeah. Ask Eden.
Really? You fell asleep there? Ah,
Right.
baby girl. Hi, baby.
Yeah. She saw me sleep when I came back from work, and I was like,
Stop.
yeah.
Number one, don't wake up mommy.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just joking. Yeah, this is the stuff that we have here. We have a rocking chair. It's not always going to be pristine.
Yeah, especially with like 7 dogs running around.
Yeah.
So you're getting a sofa. What else are you getting?
Just the sofa.
Oh, okay. So the bedroom's basically done. It's looking nice.
Well, her crib is not the color that I
You
wanted.
don't like this crib?
I do. I just need to change the color.
Fine, you gotta explain the crib and the shelves. Come on. Get up.
The shelves need to be a lot.
I'll go. Here we go. We got the shelves and we got diaper changing. It's the same diaper changing station, basically. Baby wipes in there and then diapers here. Everything down here. See a bunch of outfits here. For baby Suri. And then Suri's crib.
Suri's crib?
I like her crib. It's cozy.
Yeah.
And then you got the Nanit cam.
Yeah, the Nanit cam's great.
Amatina there.
Yeah, my mom's always listening in.
Ni hao Amatina. Right, baby Suri?
Suri, how's your room? How's your room, Suri? Yeah.
Not impressed, just like mommy. Hard to impress.
Yeah, it's joking. What else is in this room? Just that. I might want to fill this wall. Not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, with something.
All right, what are your plans for the, for, what is it, it's August?
Yeah.
This is the month, next month.
I might
Content plans. You got content plans, Miss Wong?
just
Got
filming
content
vlogs.
plans?
Let me know what you guys like to see. I just want to film more authentic videos.
Ooh, more authentic. I have permission to grab Winnie when she's looking messy.
Yeah. I mean, can you not do the POV thing
I'm not
again?
doing POV. What are you talking about? It's already done. It's over. It's cringe.
Okay, good. Suri currently knows how to roll over.
Roll over.
Yeah. And she likes to play with toys. Wow.
Good job, baby Suri. She likes to hold hands.
And then she likes to put it in her mouth.
Oh man, don't do that, baby. All right, Wen, you want to say anything else?
That's it, guys. That's the video. It's just a little tour of what is in Suri's room. Very
What else are we gonna
casual.
do next? Let's think of something.
We'll think of something, but we have a cool behind the scenes video we're looking
what?
forward to share.
Oh yeah.
Of
Secret?
Secret. Aha, you have to watch next video to find out what it is.
Just if you want to.
If you want to. Or you better watch it. You better watch the video. Bye, everyone.